Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Starter Podcast. I'm Naomi.
Hi, I'm Tristan.
Today, we're going to talk about an important grammar tip. Start with parts of speech.
Yes, if you are learning English, this is the best place to begin. Parts of speech are the foundation of the language.
So first, what are parts of speech?
Parts of speech are different types of words in English. Each word has a job in a sentence.
Exactly. Let's start with the first one, nouns.
A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, or idea.
For example, person, teacher, place, school, thing, book, idea, happiness.
Great, now let's talk about pronouns.
Pronouns replace nouns. Instead of repeating the same word, we use pronouns.
For example, John is my friend. He is kind.
Next, we have verbs.
Verbs show action or state.
Examples: action, run, eat, play, state, is, am, are.
Now let's move to adjectives.
Adjectives describe nouns.
For example, a big house, a beautiful girl.
Next is adverbs.
Adverbs describe verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs.
Example: she runs quickly. He is very tall.
Let's talk about prepositions.
Prepositions show relationships between words.
For example, the book is on the table. The cat is under the chair.
Next, we have conjunctions.
Conjunctions connect words or sentences.
Examples: I like tea and coffee. I am tired, but I will study.
Finally, interjections.
These show emotions.
For example, wow, oh, ouch.
So now you know the 8 parts of speech.
Yes, let's review quickly. Noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection.
Here's a simple sentence example. She quickly eats an apple.
Let's break it down. She, pronoun, quickly, adverb, eats, verb, apple, noun.
Very simple, right?
Yes, when you understand parts of speech, you can build better sentences.
Here's a tip. Don't try to learn everything at once.
Practice one part of speech each day.
For example, day 1, nouns. Day 2, verbs. Day 3, adjectives.
And always make your own sentences.
Yes, practice is the key to improvement.
Before we finish, let's do a quick practice.
Okay, listen carefully. The small dog runs fast.
Can you find the parts of speech?
Here are the answers. The, article. Small, adjective. Dog, noun. Runs, verb. Fast, adverb.
Great job if you got it right.
That's all for today's grammar tip.
Remember, start with parts of speech, and your English will improve step by step.
Thanks for listening.
See you next time.